Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Jeep Wrangler louder. First, consider upgrading your exhaust system. An aftermarket catback exhaust replaces the piping from the catalytic converter rearward, offering a noticeable sound increase. For a simpler change, an axle-back system replaces only the muffler and tailpipe, providing a good sound boost without extensive modification. Both options enhance your Jeep's auditory presence. Another way to achieve a louder sound is by performing a muffler delete. This involves removing the stock muffler entirely, resulting in a significantly more aggressive exhaust note. You could also consider a resonator delete, which often adds a deeper, more resonant tone. Remember to research your local vehicle noise ordinances to ensure compliance before making these modifications. Beyond the exhaust, a cold air intake system can also contribute to a louder experience by amplifying engine induction noise. These systems replace your factory airbox with a less restrictive design, allowing more air to enter the engine. This often results in a more pronounced growl, especially under acceleration. Plus, they can offer a small boost in horsepower and torque. Finally, if you're looking to make your Jeep's overall presence louder, don't forget about your audio system. Upgrading your factory speakers and adding an amplifier can dramatically increase your in-cabin sound volume and clarity. For an entirely different kind of loud, simply removing your soft top or doors allows the natural sounds of your Jeep and the road to fill the air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.